Hello guys, this is Sunny Kumar from MNC Part 2 and from IIT BHU, and I am back again with another video of tree construction solution of January circuits held held in January 2021. Basically, this is a question of graphs, applied tags or algorithms, binary search, depth first search, graphs, greedy algorithms, tree. So jumping directly into the question says that we have a rooted tree with root vertex is 1, and the beautifulness of a tree is actually the sum of each vertex subtree size, and we have been given an integer m, which is the beautifulness of the tree, and we have lost the tree. The question says that you have lost the tree, but you know n number of nodes in the tree and the beautifulness m. So we have been asked that can we build the tree of number of nodes is n with beautifulness m such that root is at 1 and the sum of each vertex subtree size is actually m. So what we're gonna to do is first let us understand how we can approach this question. So I have a graph here, you can see. So this is basically a tree which all the nodes are actually connected in a linear fashion, you can see. So we have an m, the subtree sum of subtree size of all the nodes. So what would be our minimum? Suppose we have a tree of n nodes, so what would be our minimum subtree, minimum beautifulness and maximum beautifulness? So first we are going to calculate this. What would be our minimum beautifulness and maximum beautifulness? So sum of subtree size is our beautifulness for node m. As you can see that suppose we have the root is at 0 and the leaf is at 3, so subtree size for this node 3 is actually 1, and for subtree size for this node 2 is actually 3, 1 plus this 2, and subtree size for this will be 3 and subtree size for this will be 4. So you can easily see that the maximum subtree size, maximum beautifulness of the graph with n nodes would be, let me write it clearly, maximum beautifulness, sorry, beautifulness will be when all the nodes are connected in a linear fashion and m maximum will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus so up to n number of nodes. N will denote number of nodes. Okay, now let us go for how can we build the minimum beautifulness of the tree. Okay, so minimum beautifulness of the tree for having n nodes can be like, suppose we have 0 1 and 0 2 and 0 3. Okay, now you see this graph. So minimum, so for each n minus 1 vertices, n minus 1 nodes, you can see that all the subtree size will be 1, this has 1, this has 1 and this has 1, and this will have the subtree size of 4. So in this case we are having the minimum beautifulness. So our minimum beautifulness will be m minimum will be n for the rooted node and plus n minus 1 for the remaining nodes, each having subtree size of 1 plus n minus 1. So our m minimum will be 2 into n minus 1. Okay, this will be, so m varies from m varies from 2 into n minus 1 to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so if m lies between this, then we can say that there is a tree with n nodes with beautifulness m we can get. Now let us go for the conclusion that how we can build this tree. Okay, suppose let us go from maximum. Suppose we are having the beautifulness m that varies from 2 into n minus 1 and it goes to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Suppose we have a tree like this 0 1 1 2 and 2 3. Okay, so and we have a beautifulness m, and what we are going to do, this tree has a beautifulness n into n plus 1 upon 2, and suppose m varies from 2 into n minus 1 to n into n plus 1 upon 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to first we are going to calculate the difference, which would be n into n plus 1 upon 2, which would be the maximum beautifulness minus the current beautifulness. This is what actually I'm going to write this. We have to reduce the beautifulness from maximum to current, that is m. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to build our required tree of beautifulness m from this tree by reducing the beautifulness from maximum, that is n into n plus 1 upon 2 to m. So this has m beautiful, this has n into n plus 1 upon 2 beautiful. So what we are going to do, suppose so what we are going to do is let's say for this case n equal to 4, and suppose we have m equal to 7. Okay, so let's us calculate the difference that we want. LL difference, sorry, I haven't mentioned LL is actually an integer. Okay, int difference would be what, 4 into 5 by 2 10 by 2 equal to 10. 3, I have to reduce the subtree beautifulness by 3. How we are going to do that? Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to put the leaf, we are going to pick up this leaf and we are going to pluck this leaf and we are going to append this leaf to some other node such that subtree beautifulness is going to be decreased. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to, if we pluck this node, leaf node, and we are going, suppose we are going to append this to 1, so our graph would be like we are going to erase 2 3 and we are going to append 1 3. So our beautifulness would be like 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So our new beautifulness would be 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So new beautifulness will be 4 3 7 plus 8 plus 9. Okay, our beautifulness is decreased by 1 as we move once. Okay, I am going to bring back the same. As we move two nodes up, two level up, we observe that we are decreasing this beautifulness by 1. And if we pluck this leaf 3 and we append this to 0, we will observe that beautifulness would decrease by 2. Let us do and observe this. We are going to make this like this. Okay, oh sorry, 1 2, I am going to do this later. Okay, oh sorry, what we are going to do is, suppose we are now 0 1 1 2 and 2 3. Okay, we have this, and if we plug this and we are going to append on this, so our new graph would be like let me do, if this doesn't goes well. Okay, Now I'm going to write this 0 3. Okay, now you can see our beautifulness would be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So our new beautifulness would be 4 to 7 plus 4 to 6 plus 2 8. Okay, so there is a general observation. We can notice that in this case we are moving the 3 to up 3 to some upper level by an amount equal to 3. Okay, I am bringing back to this same. So in this case you are initially this beautifulness is 10, and I have plucked the 3 as from the 2 side and appended to 0 and to some level up by 3. Then we observe that the beautifulness is going to decrease by 2. So there is a general observation. If we pluck 3 and append to some 0, the subtree beautifulness would be going to decrease by d minus 1, where d is the number of levels we are going to make this make this shifted to some upward node. So there is a general observation we have got. So what we are going to do is we are going to first calculate the difference. This is this that we are going to cover up to make the beautifulness equal to exactly m, and we are approaching this question from the backward side. That is what it means is that first we are calculating the maximum ones, then we are subtracting it from the required value, and if we are getting some difference, we are going to cover up this. So what we are going to do is first we are going step 1 would be our take the leaf node and bring and append it to that node, that difference that node such that difference of difference variable, you can say, is lowered. Okay, how we are going to do this, let us understand. So let us come on to the implementation part, that would be more clear to you. Okay, so I have this, let me make the screen size some bigger. So what initially I have taken n and m, I have taken a set which would denote the answer, and I have taken a lower bound of the number of what would be the minimum possible beautifulness and the maximum possible beautifulness in L and R respectively. And if our m, which is the input variable which denotes the beautifulness, if m is less than L or greater than R, we can say that we can never found a tree. So we are going to print -1 this in this case as the question says, and we are going to terminate this program. Now what we are going to do is we are first appending the edges in a set, and the tree would be like for beautifulness our tree initial tree would be for beautifulness R. In this case, as you can see, the edges are for I to I plus 1, I to I plus 1, I to I plus 1. So what I have done is I have iterated for I 1 to less than n and appended for I and I plus 1. The edge goes to I, undirected edge goes to I and I plus 1. Now for I have started a while loop and iterated it till we didn't get the required beautifulness. So our k will be the difference of beautifulness that we want to cover up, that is R from maximum, and m is the current beautifulness. So I have a key that denotes n, which is basically the leaf node. As you can see, our leaf node would be the n, here is the 0 based indexing, so our leaf node would be n minus 1. Here we have 1 based indexing. Initially I have leaf n. So what I have done is I have taken the maximum of 1 and t minus k minus 1. So I have already said that for a leaf node we can what we are going to do, we are going to push this leaf node to maximum to the rooted one, and we are going to minimize this difference to 0. So what we are going to do, so we are going to check if maximum of 1 and key minus k minus 1 ll 1, if we are going to cover up this, then if we are taking the maximum of 1 and key minus k minus 1, so that if key minus k minus 1 goes to some an upper node, then and it is already 0, k becomes already 0, then we are going to stop with key minus k minus 1 ll, and if k is much more bigger, then we are going to append this leaf node to our root node. And in this case, what we are going to, we are going to pluck this leaf node from 2. So actually we are erasing this key minus 1 and key. There is an edge between key minus 1 and key. We are going to erase this key, and we are going to insert our new edge, that is new key and actually key. So if we are going to suppose k is initially I have k equal to 5, we are going to cover up the 5 difference. So what we are going to do is, we have initially 3, so we are calculating this, how much times 3 goes to up. So 3 can goes to 0, which is actually the 3 is going 2 times up. If 3 is going to 0, the difference is going to be decreased by 2. So what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 3 minus 0 minus 1, which is 2, and we are going to take maximum of this with actual k value. K value is actually 5, the difference is actually 5. We are going to take this maximum, and our maximum would come, our new key would come to 0, and we are going to insert this new key with the actual key, and we are going to decrease this k value. How the k value is going to decrease? K value is going to decrease key minus new key minus 1, and if we pluck 3, then our new leaf node would be 2. So for every iteration till k is positive, our key is going to decrease. Key is actually, let me denote, key is actually the leaf node, okay, after every plucking, okay. So, and we are going to iterate this until the difference goes to 0, until we obtain the beautifulness exactly equal to m. Finally we are going to print this answer, okay. So basically this is the this is the trickiest part of this question. So if you want the code is already present in the description section of the video, and I will ask the viewers to like this video, share this video, and do comment in the code section if you have any doubt. Thank you for watching this video.